Hi everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a really quick unboxing, but this just arrived and I wanted to unbox it with all of you. I will probably put what it is in the title, so it won't really be a surprise, but it's an item to go with my new vanity case, so I'm really excited to see it. So let me just get started. The camellia. Take that off. Whoops. There we go. And the ribbon. Chanel box. And I don't want you to see what it is yet. The care booklet and stuff like that. And the dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. And here she is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I am so obsessed with this leather and hardware. So as you can see, this is the snap card holder in the dark turquoise grained lambskin with rainbow hardware to match my medium vanity case that I just unboxed last week. So I will show you the tag. So I did get this from the US, so the tag is still attached. As you know, in Canada they keep the tag. And a big thank you to my friend who got this for me. You know who you are. Thank you so much if you're watching. All right, so because yeah, in Canada they my SA couldn't get me the SLGs I wanted in this color. So all right, so here's the tag information from 18B, and here is the tag. Oh, coin purse, dark turquoise, and it was $9.75 US. All right, let's open it up. Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Okay, so it is the it's the same size as the card holder that some people call it the extra large card holder that has the back pocket usually in the classic style. This one does not, but the interior is the same. So it's got the two big compartments, and then it's got this little slip compartment here. So here is the authenticity card, and it is a 26 series. And that's what the interior looks like. Let's take out all of this packaging. Whoop, sorry, I'm bumping the camera here. Take all of these cards out. I'm very tempted by the zipped coin purse too in this, but I figured they'd serve the same purpose, so I don't know if I need both. But I'm just so obsessed with this hardware and leather combination. It's just so pretty. So I am really happy to have this. I've actually I've sold my if you've seen any of my previous videos or my collection videos, I have an extra large card holder with the back pocket in the black iridescent caviar from around Christmas time that matches my jumbo, and so I decided to sell that to and replace it with this, just because I think this is just a little more special. And I honestly don't really care that much about the back pocket. I know everyone loves that, but I didn't really use it that often. So I'm really trying to stick with the 1 in, 1 out rule to keep my collection at a reasonable size. So I decided to let that one go. Somebody contacted me and wanted it. So anyway, this is my newest addition, and I'll just show it you quickly. It next to my vanity case. And I think that, yeah, I think this is the perfect size to use with the vanity case. It won't take up too much space. Yeah, but this size holds a lot, so I think it will be a perfect size. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoy this type of video, please consider subscribing. My Instagram handle is FashionJunkie33, so please follow me there too. I hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye.